As the winter approaches, keeping your home warm is your top priority. Here at Pure Plumbing Air, we have a step-by-step guide of how to make sure your furnace or heat pump is operating safely. Step 1. Making sure your furnace or heat pump is clear of any clutter. You don't want any clutter to disturb the function of your system and also the safety. Step 2. Making sure your filters are changed. Last thing you want is to have dirty filters and give an odor throughout your home as you're heating your system for the first time. Step 3. Checking your carbon monoxide detectors. Making sure batteries are fully charged or even making sure that it actually works. Turn it on, do a safety test. Step 4. Firing up your furnace. Firing up your furnace or heat pump will let you know that your system is actually working. Step 5. When you turn on your furnace, making sure you listen to any weird noise and also the smell that's coming out from your system. Step 6. Making sure all vents and registers are clear. This will help maximize the heating around your home. Finally, it's always recommended to make sure you get your heating system checked, making sure it works efficiently and safely for your family. Give us a call at 702-534-1910 or book online at pureplumbinglv.com.